Hello students, welcome to your computer class. Now let's start the lecture. Yesterday I told you about what is the function. Now what is the function? Function is a group of code. Okay, now function is a group of code, but when it execute and how it execute. Now let's see. What is the structure of the program? Means your Python program. Now statement, first module, now start. When you write a program, we define a function using the def keyword. Def, function name, def. When we start the interpret, when we start run, the interpreter first check from the line number 1. When it encounter def means the remaining thing is the next block is, this block is the function block. So it hold the function header, but it will not execute from here. Then it will not interpret the next block line. Then again come here, def again, means next line is the function 1. Then here the line without the indentation. Then it starts the execution of the line which has no indentation. Means the first line of our program will execute from here, not from here. This is the first line, but program will not execute from here because it is a function. When the function will execute, when we call a function, then the function code execute. So def means the program will not execute from here, will execute from the line which is not def and the line which has no indentation. Now the flow of program, flow of execution. Then end. Now flow of execution. This is your program. interpreter start from the line number 1. It encounter def means the next block is the function block. It will not execute from here. Then again come here. Again def a keyword. Then it will also not execute from the here. It hold the function header but not execute from here. Then this is the comment line. So comment is also not executed. It will not execute this line, but this is the first line of without the indentation. Then this one. Your program will start from here. First line. It will print that output of the program. First print this line. First line. Now greeting. What is this? This is the calling function greeting. What we'll do about this after this calling? The function program counter will pass to the function header. Executing first line, executing second line. Second line is the function calling. So function program counter will pass to the function greeting. Here this function is not receiving any argument, so we are not passing anyone. So the control comes here, the execution of the function block. In function block there is one printing. So after this printing it will print hello. After that the program will come from the second line of this one. Here you see there is no return statement. So function is not returning anything, so we are not assigning this value to any variable. This function is not receiving anything, not returning anything. So we are not sending anything and not assigning the value to any variable. Now the next line. A variable A, variable defined A, assign the value to the A. Now variable B, assign 20 to the variable B. Now what is this? This is calling the sum function. Now again control go to here and this function receiving two argument, two values. The value of A is passed to the X and value of B is passed to the Y. Here the X value is 10 and Y value is 20. Now the function code block will start from after this line the function block will start. Now x is equal to x plus y. Now s is equal to 10 plus 20. Now s is equal to 30. Return s means return value of s, that is 30, means function is returning the value of 30. This is the last line. After that control come here and it has the value of s which is assigning to the value c. Now the c is value of 30. After that the next line of the function calling print c, then it will print 30. This is the control flow, means starting the program from the line which has no indentation and no comment. So first line, when we call any function, the control go to the function, execute the function and return to the calling place. This is called the flow of execution.